Well, it is day 2 here in Paris, and it is absolutely it down. Not really the ideal start we wanted. I have to say, I am so glad that we have got tickets for this because the queues are insane.
Crazy.
We have literally just got in just as it started, absolutely tiddling it down.
One eternity later.
Monalisa, you're an overrated piece of
I cannot remember the last time I have seen rain quite like this. It is, quite frankly, extraordinary. So we are back in the hotel room now after what I'm going to say has been a really, really tiring day. My missus has had a lovely dinner at a place called Copan, fully gluten-free bakery, sandwiches, pastries, absolutely spot on. There's about 8 locations in Paris, so please do check them out if you are gluten-free and you're knocking about in Paris at all anytime in the future. Kind of messed up a little bit. We thought we'd be able to come back to his hotel room, watch SmackDown tonight. Not the case. Didn't quite understand that because we're in another country, our Netflix doesn't quite work the way it should, so we're kind of just having to follow along on his phone to see what's going on. But we've had something to eat, we're watching a little bit of regular Netflix on his phones, and we're going to get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow the plan is we're going to go and do the Eiffel Tower, And we've just seen on TikTok that the WWE shop for the official Clash in Paris shop is open. Well, it opened today, but we're gonna head there tomorrow. So you'll see what we get up to on the Saturday in the next video. But again, guys, thank you ever so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this content, please do remember to give a big thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel for more content from myself. My name's Matt, better known as the Yorkshire Gamer, and thank you very much for watching.